Welcome to this short video where we will show you how you can clean one of the oxygen sensors from Aanderaa. We will also see how you can validate the sensor and, if necessary, change it. If the sensor has been in air for a long time, we recommend to put it in a vinegar solution overnight. So first I put it in the water with soap, clean off around every part of the sensor. This is the part where the oxygen level is measured. Then I rinse it in clean water. After we have cleaned the sensor, I just dry it with some paper towels. Be careful with the foil itself. This is the area where the foil is located, and this plate outside is just a securing plate, and inside there is the foil. We recommend not to change the foil unless it's physically damaged, because the foil gets only better and better the older it is. So after I remove the screw, I will easily be able to remove the securing plate, and behind there you will see the foil itself. The foil is this black device. On the back side you will see that it is red. The red is the area we're measuring the oxygen, and the black layer is just protection. So if there is some scratches in the black layer, that won't harm the reading, but it's then more vulnerable for further damage on the sensor. Inside here we see the sapphire window, and behind there is the optical device that's measuring the oxygen. When we look at this foil, it's perfectly fine, so I can reuse this one. If you need a new one, you put the new one also between the two screws. Try to center it as much as possible, and then you can put back the securing plate again and tighten the screws. So if you change the foil, you need to check the version of the foil. So what you need to do next depends on what sort of version you are using. If you're using the same version and the same batch number as was installed before, then you don't have to do anything. We recommend to do an in-air calibration, just a 1 point measurement. But if you change to the same version but with another batch number, then you have to enter the new batch calibration coefficients to the sensor. This we will show you in a later video. How to change these batch numbers. If you change to another version, then we recommend to send the sensor back to Aanderaa for a full calibration. We always recommend to check the sensor from time to time with a 1 point calibration or 1 point check. That will be performed in air, and we will show how to do this in a later video.